Hey, Michael here from the PostHog AI team. I want to show you a tool that I use every single day. It's called PostHog LLM Analytics, and it's pretty great. Why is it great? There's a few reasons, and you're looking at one of them right now. In the LLM Analytics dashboard, I'm able to say just how many users do I have of my LLM-based features, how many individual uses of those, each one being called a trace. With model cost calculation, I have my unit economics here, shown right here. And thanks to some lower level data on LLM calls, I see how many we've got, how many errors we've had, and you've got to stay resilient, and what the latencies are. So with this dashboard, pretty empty right now, because this is a development project that I use in my local instance of my app for all the high-level data. And trust me, there is a lot of it in our production projects that I can't quite show you. But this is useful maybe a few times per week. As a developer, I don't really use this maybe all the time. Now, that would be traces. Traces are absolutely killer, and you've really got to understand how your LLM or combination of LLMs arrives at the answer. And you know LLMs are not deterministic, so this can get tricky. Like right here, I'm actually working on PostHog AI, which lives right here in the top right of PostHog. And people can ask it questions, like research latest Netflix UI features. Say you're building a Netflix competitor, you want to do some product research, and the answer is shucks. PostHog AI says it can't research external products like Netflix's UI features. And that'd be true. We don't have any web search tool, so how could it do that? But, well, good thing I've just built that, and I've just hooked up the Anthropic web search tool to PostHog AI locally, and I've got PostHog running locally too. So now let me check how will this work after those changes. And I've got the right API key connected. So all this data from what's going on right now here is being streamed into PostHog Cloud US. Nice. Looks like a web search succeeded. This is looking good. We've got a comprehensive answer, and I think that's pretty much it. I think we can do this now. So what was the process here? Let's take a look. A few seconds ago, a new trace. This will be it. We can see the input state. We're using LangGraph and the PostHog AI SDK integration for it. So we've got the full state, input state of the conversation, and the message that we're interested in. It's the same as previously, doing some research, but the output now, this is much better. This is the actual output with the research being done, and we've got the whole process outlined too. So that's great. What happened at the lower level? We can see a sensible title was generated. That's great. And no memory was created, so that makes sense. And the web search tool was called. So just like this, I was able to see what happened, what the prompts were at every step, and how many tokens, how many seconds, how many dollars.